Hi, my name is Madeline Corbett. I'm with the program on the environment, and my presentation is titled What is Happening with the Purple Orange Sea Star? So I interned at NOAA Fisheries this past quarter, winter 2021, and I worked on a project that researched and tried to understand the impacts of the purple orange sea star. So the purple orange sea star's abundance and spatial distribution has changed significantly since 1982, potentially due to bottom warming temperatures, as temperature is a key factor in controlling the development of marine invertebrates and the survival of offspring. This increase in abundance may pose a threat to bivalve populations as the purple orange sea star preys on bivalves. I explored these issues by utilizing data from empowered by NOAA Fisheries while keeping the following research questions in mind. Does warming bottom temperatures increase the purple orange sea star's abundance and spatial distribution? Because my research book question and internship methods were similar, the responsibilities I had during my research and the methods I used for my research book question are the same. So I used R to pull Bering Sea bottom troll data and check the data for outliers, as well as build a time series to evaluate sea star and bivalve abundance and spatial distribution. I then compared the sea star and bivalve time series with each other and with trends in the bottom sea floor. So in this figure, in figure 2, you can see the sea star numbers plotted against the average temperature from 1982 to 2019. In the results, we found the correlation coefficient between sea stars and bivalve populations 0.4, which is to be expected because of the predator-prey relationship. However, the correlation coefficients between temperature and sea stars and temperature and bivalves are low, just 0.15, meaning there's not a strong correlation between temperature and sea star and bivalve populations. So warming bottom temperatures are not correlated to the sea star's changes in abundance. The sea star spatial distribution may be affected by temperature, which provides a look into how climate change is affecting marine species and ecosystems. The spatial distribution is south out of Norton Sound, which is one of the hottest places in the Bering Sea as years progress. In these two maps here, they are inverse distance weighted maps from 1982 to 2019. It shows the change in spatial distribution and abundance of the purple orange sea star into the Bering Sea. This was an unexpected find in the results because I assumed that increasing temperatures would require the sea stars to move further north. However, the sea stars move from Norton Sound, which is one of the warmest places in the Bering Sea, to areas which have lower temperatures. So we must continue the monitoring of the purple orange sea star in the Bering Sea in order to see changes in trends to determine the cause for the sea star's changing abundance and spatial distribution if it's not correlated to temperature. As sea star populations increase, the demand for bivalves increases, and this may create negative food web implications for walruses because walruses prey on bivalves as well, and this has the potential to cause walrus populations to decline. Thank you.